They say that one is good, but two is certainly better, and that's the case for Mocan Dragway, winner of two of our Four States Finest Awards. And here with me to talk about it is the owner of Mocan, Carl Blayton. Hi, Carl.
Hi, Ray. How are you doing?
I'm doing fantastic. Congratulations on your two awards, Best Outdoor Venue and Best Recreational Activity. I guess you must be doing something right around here.
Apparently so. We appreciate everyone voting for us, and we'll just keep trying to make Mocan a great place.
Absolutely. Everybody I talk to has a great experience here. They keep coming back for more. So, what do you have in store for people here in 2022?
Well, we do a pretty normal schedule with big races on Memorial Day and Labor Day. Being the 60th, we're going to have a special race on July 15th and 16th. It's going to be the Nitro Chaos race. It'll be our anniversary race, and don't miss that one.
An exciting race for 60 years. Carl, congratulations again, and make sure you check out all of the events at mocandragway.com.